back to my channel, Lash with Lex. Today I wanted to do a quick video on how to lash in layers. This is going to be very helpful, especially if you're trying to increase your lash speed. For this video, I'm going to be using my 45-degree tweezer from Paris Lash Academy. I'm going to be using the Dream Flower Lash Glue. I'm going to be using a spoolie, and I'm also going to be using this mannequin head from Dream Flower Lashes as well. So let's get right to this video. So please do not mind these lashes on here. I was already playing around with this mannequin and I've used this so many times. So the first thing we're going to do is go ahead and take a piece of tape and tape all of the lashes up. Normally, if you're working on a real client, most of the bottom lashes will already expose themselves. But since we're working on a mannequin, I'm just going to take my tweezers and I'm just going to expose the bottom lashes myself. Also, for the purpose of this video, I'm going to just be using pre-made fans for this tutorial. I'm also going to leave the link to Dreamflower's website in my description. Please feel free to check out their website and also use my discount code. Since all of the bottom lashes are exposed, we're going to just place an extension on each individual natural lash. I really love this method and I definitely recommend it because it allows me to get done with my sets fairly quick, and it also allows my volume and mega volume sets to look a little bit more full for the client's liking. This method is also really good, especially if you're struggling with isolations or if your client has really thin, thick, or just wild and curly lashes. And please feel free to use this time and ask any questions or if you have any concerns about this method, and make sure you stay tuned for the top layer and more useful tips throughout the video.
Claps.
Okay, we are done with this bottom layer as of now, and as you can see, it's already pretty full just from doing the bottom layer alone, so I absolutely love this method. And now we're going to migrate to the top layer. We're going to do the same exact process. We're going to take a piece of tape and we're going to tape down the extensions. Now we're going to lift the top layer of the lashes from underneath the tape, and we're going to repeat this same process. Okay y'all, I wanted to wrap up this video. I just wanted to give a quick tutorial on how to lash in layers. This is really good, especially for beginners if you're having issues with speed or isolations. I absolutely love this method and I hope it was helpful. And of course, if you haven't already, go ahead and subscribe to the channel and I will see you all in my next video.